How to cancel a completed PayPal payment.
Hey there, welcome to this video tutorial on how to cancel a completed PayPal payment. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started.
Can you cancel a completed PayPal payment?
Before we dive into the cancellation process, it's important to understand that canceling a completed PayPal payment is not always possible. Once a payment has been completed, it means the funds have been transferred from your account to the recipient's account. However, there are a few scenarios where you may still have options to cancel the payment. Let's explore those scenarios.
Canceling an unauthorized payment.
If you believe that a payment was made from your PayPal account without your authorization, you can take immediate action to cancel it. Here's what you need to do. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. 2. Go to the Resolution Center. 3. Select Report a Problem next to the transaction in question. 4. Choose the reason for the unauthorized payment and follow the prompts to complete the process. PayPal will then investigate the issue and work towards resolving it. If the payment is found to be unauthorized, you should be eligible for a refund.
Canceling a payment with a pending status.
In some cases, a payment may have a pending status, which means it hasn't been completed yet. To cancel a pending PayPal payment, follow these steps. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. 2. Click on the Activity tab. 3. Find the pending payment you wish to cancel. 4. Click on the payment to open its details. 5. If the option to cancel the payment is available, click on it and follow any additional instructions provided. It's important to note that not all pending payments can be canceled. If the cancellation option is not available, it means the payment is already in progress, and you'll need to contact the recipient directly to request a refund.
Canceling a PayPal subscription payment.
If you have set up a recurring payment or subscription through PayPal and wish to cancel it, here's what you should do. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. 2. Click on the Settings icon at the top right corner of the page. 3. Select Payments from the drop-down menu. 4. Click on Manage Automatic Payments under the Automatic Payments section. 5. Find the subscription or recurring payment you want to cancel and click on it. 6. Follow the instructions provided to cancel the subscription or payment. PayPal will then stop future payments from being made to the recipient. That wraps up our tutorial on how to cancel a completed PayPal payment. Remember, while canceling a completed payment may not always be possible, you still have options in certain situations, such as unauthorized payments or pending transactions. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to PayPal's customer support. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.